big reforms are underway in India's social security landscape. The Employees Provident Fund Organization, or EPFO, which serves more than 7 crore active members in the organized private sector, has launched a wave of digital and administrative reforms in 2025. From simplified PF transfers to faster pensions, these changes are making headlines for the right reasons. And here are the 5 major reforms that are changing how EPFO works for you. First, easier profile updates. First up, EPFO has made updating your profile easier than ever. If your UAN is Aadhaar linked, you can now update personal details such as your name, date of birth, gender, and even marital status online without needing to upload any documents. However, for UANs created before October 1st, 2017, employer approval may still be needed in some cases. Point number 2, hassle-free PF transfer. Changing jobs? Well, your PF comes with you faster and easier. From January 15, 2025, PF transfers no longer need prior approval from the old or new employer in most cases. That means quicker fund movement and less paperwork. Thirdly, fully digital joint declaration process. Starting January 16, 2025, the joint declaration process used to correct details like name or date of birth is now fully digital. If your Aadhaar is verified and UAN is active, you can make these corrections entirely online. However, in special cases like unregistered UANs or member death, a physical form is still required. Number 4, centralized pension payment system. In a move that benefits lakhs of pensioners, EPF will launch the centralized pension payment system on January 1st, 2025. Now, pensions are paid directly through the NPCI platform, eliminating the need to transfer PPOs between regional offices. New PPOs are also linked to UAN, enabling easy digital life certificate submission. Number 5, high salary pension clarity. Now, for employees earning above the salary ceiling who wish to draw a higher pension, there's now complete clarity. With a uniform rule book, higher pensions can be accessed with additional contributions. Even private trusts outside EPFO must now align with this transparent framework. So from being a savings scheme to becoming a digitally empowered welfare service, EPFO's transformation in 2025 is setting new benchmarks. For millions of employees and pensioners, these changes mean convenience, speed, and clarity. That's all for now. Stay tuned and stay updated for more updates only on Financial Express. Thank you so much for watching.